Hi folks, probably most of you have heard of water hammer, but you really don't know what that looks like. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of what that looks like. This is a quick opening and closing valve. I'm going to open the water a little bit. There's the water flowing, perfectly fine, nothing wrong. Now what happens if I open this valve all at once? That's what happens. That's water hammer. In layman's terms, what is water hammer? Water doesn't compress. For instance, you dive into a swimming pool, you go through the air, you knife through the water, you're fine, that doesn't hurt you. But if you do a belly flop, you fly through the air and you land and do a belly flop, that hurts. Why does that hurt? Water does not compress. Water does not compress. So when water's flowing, it's fine. When there's air in the pipe and you open it all at once, that's like a fish going through your pipe. It will blow it apart. You will hear noises of the water hammer. Likewise, if you have a quick opening or closing faucet, close it gently. That can likewise cause water hammer. There you go. That's kind of my unscientific layman term explanation of water hammer, and I hope that helped you out there.